Hi, everyone. So I just wanted to go over your SeeSaw assignments that you have for today on Monday, October 19th. All right, so the first one you'll see is your math. So today we did addition with caring instead of doing what's in the book with the column addition, which I'll show you in just a minute. We decided to just do the standard algorithm with caring. So here you are. Today is your lesson. We did all of them in class today together. You have to do your home link, which is just one problem, and your math boxes that we also did and corrected in class today. Okay, so I'll go over math at the end of the seesaw and we'll just do a quick review. And I also posted a video. I'll show you where that is right now while I'm thinking about it. So you go ahead and go to your announcements right after I shared my slideshow. I posted the video. Here, this is a really good video to refresh what you need to do with the standard algorithm and carrying numbers. So this is a really good one to watch. Okay. All right, let me go back to our activities. There we go. All righty. And here is your spelling list and your bingo card. So your bingo card is the same, and you also have one in your folder. Here is your spelling list. We practiced saying all these words today, and there's a lot of silent letters, silent W's, silent G's, silent K's, all kinds of different silent letters. So I really encourage you to practice these a lot this week because they're really tricky, especially trying to remember how to spell them. So please make sure you practice that and save your assignment as a draft until Friday and complete 4 activities by Friday. Okay. And here is your reading log. I put the dates up there so you're not confused. And go ahead and you can use the paper from your folder, or you can use this one right here. And again, save it as a draft until Friday. All right, here is every vote counts, what we read in class. And I told you guys to go back and re-listen to the story. That's your first task. So you're going to click the link and add that in and listen to it. We also, in class today, we made a bubble map. It's right there. You can probably zoom it in better on your iPad. It just looks kind of funny on my computer. Your activity that you need to do, we were focusing on author's purpose, like why the author chose to write what they did, their point of view. So you can just take a picture of your bubble map and put that right here, unless you wanted to fill these out. Okay, so that's up to you. And then you need to answer these 3 questions. How does this passage teach kids about voting? Listen to it again and find out what is this, or how does this teach us about voting? And then how does voting give people the power to choose? And then connection. Tell about a time you voted for something. So in class, we talked about our ice cream projects a lot today because we did voting for our different flavors. So that would be a good connection for you. If you can't think of one, you can talk about our ice cream shop project. Okay. All right. And the last one, only 2 groups have to do this part. It won't even show up in your activities unless you're an aphid or a dragonfly. This is what we did in small groups. So tomorrow, beetles and cicada, that will show up in your activity bank. All right. So really quick for math, what we did today. Okay. We did the standard algorithm. Okay. So we set it up. So we crossed this out. We're not doing it that way. So don't forget to do your estimate first so you can see if your answer is reasonable. If your answer is close, that means you probably did it right. If they're really far off, like if this was 713 or 513, that means maybe you should go back and recheck your addition. Okay. So you want to start with the ones place. So 7 plus 6, 13. You put the 3 down here and you carry the 1. Then 2 plus 8 is 10, plus the 1 more is 11. You put 1 down here and you carry the other one. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1 more is 6. And that's how we got that answer. Okay. And then your estimate right here is 227 closest to 200 or 300. We drew a number line also. And then same thing, 386, is that close to 300 or 400? We chose 400, okay? For your home link, this is just an example. I encourage you to see if you can solve the example like we did with carrying, and then you only have to do this problem. Okay, so it says show your work. Please make sure you show your work. So it's 89 plus 26. Set it up here. Do your estimate. Is 89 close to 80 or 90? 26, is that close to 20 or 30? Okay, all right. That's all. Don't forget to practice your extra math and your Lexia.